Hey YouTube, welcome back everyone to my channel. I'm so excited, you guys. We are really excited this time around because we received a starter kit from Mefa. I am so excited, you guys, to review this starter kit. So with this starter kit, it's got 42 polishes, which are gel, and it comes with a lamp. Look at how cool. So if you don't have a lamp, you've got a little lamp right here, and this is like everything that you will need to start out, like to do your little manicure. It's got a little box with all of these that you can use, like to try out the polishes if you want to see what colors they are, just to get an idea, like if you're going to do some kind of nail design, which I'm always having to do that, and I don't have none of these. And this is so cool that they threw that in there. They threw in a file. Look at this. This one's really nice. They threw these in there so you can use them if you're going to do your toes. They threw in cuticle oil, which I love because right after the manicure, you want to put it on your cuticles, and it just feels so good to put that on. We've got a little cuticle pusher, a little nail clipper, of course. This one is to remove the dead skin, a cuticle that you want to remove. We also have this little brush so you guys can clean off all the dust. And this is, ooh, they even gave you a cuticle remover. I love that. You can put it on your cuticle. You want to follow the instructions. I know that on the one that I used to use, it was like from Kiss. And that one, I believe it's like 30 seconds. You leave it on, and then you go around it with this little cuticle pusher so that you're able to clean off all the dead skin. And that really does help out the manicure, you guys. Like, it really helps. And we have 42 gel polishes. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited to try out all these colors because we have to just see all the colors. There is no way none of these colors are staying behind. These are beautiful. Let me show you one of them, since we are in the time of November and everybody is doing their manicures with brown. Check this brown out. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I am so excited to try it out. What other color looks pretty in here? Oh my gosh, look at this one, you guys. This one is gorgeous. It's got like, oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. It's got glitter. And who doesn't love glitter, right? I'm always, no matter what, trying out some glitter all the time on my nails. So I am so excited to review this starter kit. So we are going to get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel, where I get to try out all kinds of colors, and I'm doing all kinds of stuff in here with the nails. Don't forget to hit that little bell notification. They will notify you of more videos that are to come like this. Like, this is really exciting. So let's get into this video, you guys, and let's see what we got. So excited. Here it is, you guys, the box. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the stuff that it has in here. This is perfect, you guys, for a mini little manicure. You can also do a pedicure. I love this little lamp. It's so adorable, you guys. Look at this. You can go ahead and connect it. So it doesn't look like it's like a portable one. It's just, you have to use the cord with it. And right here we have all these little goodies to go with it. We've got our polish right here. Look at all these colors, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I had no idea what I was gonna do. So I looked through all the colors. I tried to separate the colors that I was gonna use. And by the way, in here they have matte And it has two of the top base and the base coat. Like, oh my goodness, you guys, it doesn't get better than that. This is amazing. I love it. Look at all this. I had no top coat, so I was so excited when I saw this because I was gonna have to run to my local nail beauty supply because I was like, oh my gosh, I have no top coat. And this is like a totally cool starter kit. It's got the white, it's got the black, which I love because I love doing nail art, and you always need the black to outline. And so as you guys can see right here, I have already separated the colors. I picked out, there's just so many colors that I try to grab whatever I saw first as far as the fall colors go. And I'm thinking about Thanksgiving and, you know, everything to go with it. So this is a beautiful goldish color. I'm so excited. I think I'm going to end up using this one. This is more like of a pinkish nude color, as you guys can see. This is a brown, like burgundy color. This one is gorgeous. We've got our brown color over here. Our brown. Okay, so this one, I'm confusing this one. This one's the one that looks like burgundy with brown. There we go. And the other one is like a brown color. This one is gorgeous as well. Look at all this glitter. So beautiful. I love everything with glitter, you guys. And this is more like of a brownish nude, as you guys can see. Look at how beautiful these colors are. They're perfect. They're perfect for Thanksgiving, for fall, this time of weather. Like, it's just such beautiful colors. I really like the way the formula feels. It feels just so smooth as you're applying. Right here we've got our other colors as far as we've got the matte, the top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and put the top coat on this. I want to see how shiny this is, and it definitely did not disappoint. This is very shiny. I don't know if you guys have ever used like the Beals products, and they're very shiny as well, and I feel like this one is definitely very shiny. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a coat on all of these, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the matte. I decided to go with the brown. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this looks. A lot of people love using the matte, and I think it looks gorgeous. So I went ahead and did one color so you guys can see it. I love all the colors. I do matte once in a big while, and I think it's gorgeous. So right here, as you guys can see, I went ahead and cut off my other nail set that I had, because I'm still supposed to be working on my nail set, but I wanted to show you guys the colors. And I know a lot of you guys out there are short nail lovers, so what better way to kick it off with short nails for you guys. And of course, I didn't forget about my long nail people. I got you guys. So towards the end of the video, you're gonna get to see the nail video that I decided to do as far as the nail set. We are around the corner for Thanksgiving, so I had to come up with something quick, because usually I do my nail set and then I end up doing a different one. I don't know, because just depending on the time, I don't know if I'm going to keep this one. I definitely love it. The colors are beautiful, you guys. I have no complaints. I went ahead and did like 3 coats. You guys can very well do 2 coats. I'm obsessed with polish. Right here you can see they even threw in the cuticle oil. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this cuticle oil. It smells so delicious. And you guys know that I'm all about cuticle oil. Like, you have to apply it. The fact that they throw that in here in the starter kit, it's amazing. You got everything that you need. So I went ahead and did my little decor, and that's what it came out. And look at this. I already went ahead and did my first hand over here, and I'm going to go ahead and use their colors. I decided to go with the one that looks like burgundish. and it's got that reddish color. I think it's gorgeous, you guys. Look at this. I went ahead and did, of course, like 3 coats. And then I did my own little nail design. I threw in some leaves, and then I try to outline it, and I still try to use from their polish, and it looks gorgeous, you guys. I think this is a keeper probably. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys do like, don't forget to like and subscribe. For all my new subscribers, don't forget to hit the bell notification. They will notify you guys of more videos that are to come. And thank you so much, Mefa. I really enjoyed doing this video. Hope to work with you guys again. Have a great day, everyone.